Hey guys! Are you want to buy best automotive paint for plastic bumpers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best automotive paint for plastic bumpers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at VHT Hood Bumper and Trim Satin Spray Black Paint. VHT Bumper and Trim Paint is a highly recommended paint for plastic bumpers that offers excellent coverage, long-lasting performance, and protection against fading and scratching. It's inexpensive, easy to apply, and gives an exceptionally brilliant shine when used correctly. This paint provides a tough, durable coating that resists scratches and chips, protecting your bumper from the elements. Once you have applied it to your plastic bumper, you can be sure that the bumper will have a beautiful matte finish once dry. To get the most out of this premium finish, you may want to consider using it with a primer and clear coat process. In addition, the color offers a striking visual aesthetic. This product is designed to work great on fiberglass, plastic, and even metal components. VHT Hood, Bumper, and Trim Paint offer excellent resistance to skin and scratches, making it the perfect choice for you. Now our second product is Krylon K01303007 Acrylic Crystal Clear Spray Paint. Krylon is a top-tier brand that offers excellent automotive paint for plastic bumpers. It offers a choice of colors ranging from neutral to bright and black and white colors. You can choose between matte, satin, or glossy surfaces. It offers multiple specialty finishes including clear, metallic, hammered, and textured. It also protects against oxidation. It can be your MVP when it comes to painting plastic furniture or other items with metal components. Plus, with its durable glossy coating, it can easily withstand any type of condition without showing any signs of aging or delamination. In addition, it is also moisture resistant and smudge resistant, meaning you can use this spray paint on items that will hold up even when wet. This paint offers excellent adhesion, ease of use, and excellent hiding properties. You should use these Krylon products bumper liners to get your bumpers back in top shape. Our third product is ColorBond Hard Plastic Refinisher Spray Paint. ColorBond is a trusted brand that customizes the exterior of your car with hard plastic restoration spray paint. This brand has built an excellent reputation for providing quality color solutions that offer a smooth, long-lasting finish. It is specifically designed to match the OEM finishes on a wide range of exterior components. This color works on everything from bumpers to side mirrors and everything in between. This fairing paint is easy to use and offers a great finish. When sprayed onto the material, it creates a deep molecular bond to permanently lock in the color. This in turn results in a finish that will not crack, chip, or peel. Whether you want to refinish a car's upholstery or custom-make eye-catching plastic bumpers, ColorBond Refinisher can help you achieve the look you want, whatever your budget. In addition, it also offers a variety of colors to add a beautiful touch to the exterior of your car, including plastic bumpers. Now number 4, Performix 11203 Plasti Dip Black Multi-Purpose Paint. Plastic Dip has been specially developed for plastic surfaces such as car bumpers to prevent moisture, acids, abrasion, and surface corrosion. Its flexible and elastic formula will not crack or become brittle in extreme weather conditions. The protective plastic tip coating is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects around the home and automotive projects. It also remains elastic and flexible over time and does not break even in extreme weather conditions. Plus, it offers much-needed protection against vibration, electrical shock, and heat. Also, you have to wait 4 hours per shift for the item you are applying to be completely dry. To prevent nozzle clogging, invert the can and spray for 5 seconds. And our last choice is VHT ESP124007 Engine Enamel Gloss Black Can. VHT 550 degrees Engine Enamel features a unique blend of urethane and ceramic resins for max heat resistance. It produces a long-lasting finish for engines, engine accessories, or wherever a durable heat or chemical-resistant finish is needed. VHT high-heat engine paint is specially formulated to withstand corrosion, rust, salt spray, chemicals, and additives of today's gasoline blends and degreasers. This VHT paint is ideal for headers, engine blocks, starters, brackets, water pumps, valve covers, transmissions, and differential covers. It dries to the touch in 1 hour and dries thoroughly overnight. With VHT high heat spray paint for engines, you get true versatile restoration or customization options in flat, satin, and gloss finishes, available in 31 colors, 15 OEM colors, 12 universal and 4 bright metallics, plus primer and clear. VHT provides extreme heat resistance and race-inspired coatings for vehicle enthusiasts looking for ultimate protection and performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.